Hello YouTube, this is radeakins again, and this is a video message for Roodlepony. I believe I pronounced that right. He asked me a question on my, tutorial for a box Brownie camera. He said it is really confusing, mostly because I can't see what you're doing. Right. For that, I apologise. So what I'm going to do is basically show you, just redo my tutorial, just keep the original one up. This is an addition. So basically you can see what exactly I'm doing. Right. Just going to move the camera down a bit. There we go. See if it's going to work. Oh, God's sake. No, I don't want to show the world what I'm drinking. Here we go. Okay, there we go. Paint on my desk. Right, okay. This is the camera in question. This is my 1930 Synchro box, Afro, made in Germany. I'll say, pretty old. I'll say, again, bought it for a few pounds. I'll say, look closely. There we go. Still covered in rust, but works perfectly. Right. Well, I'll say, right, because basically I am filming this one. I don't want to expose it, so I'm going to use a similar camera just for the purposes. This one. This is a Kodak Brownie D. I'll say 620 film. Basically, tried to put film in this, didn't work. It's completely chewed up the film, but it works in the same principle. Right, here's what you do. Open the back up. Okay. Right, there you go. Right, now the spool. On here, on my other one, it's on the top half. See there. Right. This one's at the bottom, but it works in the same principle. Then again, actually, hang on. This film's practically done anyway. There we go. So if I can add, basically. Come on. There we go. So what you do with it? Let's say an exposed film. Okay. See, pop it out. There you go. See, pop it out, which means the innards will come out. There we go. Old film. Right. Need to seal it up. See, need to lick it. One film ready for the developers. Right. Okay. Here we go. Right. Back to our original question. What's your question, Roodlepony? Right. Okay. Also, this is something to help me out. I wrote top on here. Basically, that's just to help me, simply because basically I'm dyslexic. I'm a bloody idiot. I'm gonna say, what do you expect? That's the reason why you're asking me in the first place. So, right. Okay. Right. The old spool usually comes out. Okay, originally it's supposed to be metal, but plastic. Right. I say your old spool, as in the one you got from. We just finished film. Basically, you put that in the top. Fits in there. Make sure it's right around. Basically, you have notches here. There you go. You can see it there. There we go. So can you see it there? There we go. See notches. They correspond with the spool here, basically. So if you look in there, just get it closer. There we go. You can see the spool, as I turn it around, see, look, it has teeth on it. Basically, basically they fit in the grooves, so you can wire around the spool. Basically, right. Basically, obviously, this one is empty. It's apparent. Okay. Which means you put your new spool in the bottom. You're full. In fact, that's why it's a good indicator. The spring. You always see a spring there, basically just to keep basically just keep the film tight. Basically, keep it all taut. Right. Basically, put your new film in. In fact, I've got an exposed film here, just to help you out. There we go. There we go. This film's knackered anyway, so it doesn't really matter if I screw this up. Right. Okay. Right. So you pop it in. There we go. Yep. And you feed it around. Obviously, let's take this out. Right. Feed it into its lock. Feed it in so it locks. Got the right way on the spool here. Right. Okay. Round and round. Round and round it goes. When it stops, who cares? There we go. Sorry. Basically, got springs on it, but basically just keep it all taut, basically. So, there we go. It's all set to go. Right, put it back in. Right. Obviously, full film goes at the bottom. Sorry, top. There we go. Top. So it goes at the top. There we go. Get it fit. So get the tooth into the spool if I can. Here we go. Right. So right, I'm not going to open the back up. I'm going to say if you wind the spool up until it's ready. So takes a while. This does. There we go. You get a bit of a picture there. There we go. There we go. Basically, this is what happens when you basically wind the spool up. Basically, right. You say corresponding numbers there. You probably can't see it on this crappy camera. Plus, it's too light. Plus, well, the little window helps here. It says there. I say picture 2. I say if you can see it, I probably doubt if you can. Maybe move a little less like that. Just make it out. Just. There we go. Carry on. Picture 3. There we go. I'll say any other questions you would like me to answer, I will do it for you. Open! Do my Jeremy Clarkson impression. There we go. Alright. That's basically it. I say basically a spool is basically your basically kind of like a basically just a what's a spool? It's just to wrap your film around, basically it. But for example, you'd get the right size. Right size. For example, this camera takes 120 film. I was like, use any other than that, it won't work. For example, this new camera, which I got, is basically I made a right bloody goof with this. Read in there. 620, which means this is absolutely bloody worthless. This is absolutely no good to me whatsoever. Well, actually, the only reason why I actually bought this was the case. So pretty. Right. Roodlepony, I hope I answered your question. If you don't, I'll say if I haven't, please just please just drop me a message on you. I say please just drop me a message. See if I can help you any further. But well, what can I say? Ta for now.